dust box cover. Take out the dust box. Remove the filter. And clean the primary filter screen and the inside of the dust box. Install the dust box. Remove the dirty water tank from the rear of the DEEBOT and empty the dirty water. Take out the internal filter screen, then use the multi-function cleaning tool to clean it. After, place it back into the slot. Secure the lid on the dirty water tank and put it back in its original position. Next, we'll move on to the roller cleaning section. First, double-tap the DEEBOT button to extend the roller. Remove the roller's wastewater trough for cleaning. Press the quick-release latch on the side of the roller and take out the roller. Turn over the DEEBOT. You can also clean the inside of the roller cavity at the same time. After cleaning is complete, push the mop roller back into its original position. A click sound indicates that the mop roller has been installed correctly. Reinstall the wastewater trough. Then, double-tap the DEEBOT button to retract the roller. Use a screwdriver to detach the side brush and clean the side brush and the slot. Pinch the main brush release button. Open the main brush cover and take out the main brush. Use the multi-function cleaning tool to clean the main brush and the main brush cavity. Inside the main brush cavity, you can take out the anti-tangle brush comb to clean it. After cleaning, put the brush comb back in its place. Then install the main brush. Rotate the main brush to ensure it's installed correctly. To install the main brush cover, align it with the slots and press down on both sides. The fully flush blue slider indicates that it has been installed correctly. Clean the anti-drop sensors. Clean the universal wheel. Clean the driving wheels and wipe the rubber casing. Clean the sensor lens and the navigation module. Clean the edge sensor. Clean the charging contacts. The mop washing tray can be removed for rinsing. And the soaking tray can also be removed for rinsing. After wiping them dry, place them back in their original position. Use a dry cloth to wipe the charging contacts. Empty the dirty water tank. After emptying it, place the dirty water tank back in the station, ensuring that it is installed correctly. When the dust in the dustbin reaches about 70% of the dustful indicator line, it's recommended to empty the dustbin to prevent a decrease in dust collection performance. Remove the dustbin from the handle and aim the bottom of the dustbin at the trash can. Press the quick release button to open the bottom cover of the dustbin, allowing the dust to fall into the trash can. Close the bottom cover and put the dustbin back in its original place to continue using it. Thank you for watching. In the app settings, tap Help to view more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, the world's largest home service robotics company,